Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID credentials and two-factor authentication. You'll need access to verification codes. Next, make sure the payment method has sufficient funds and the billing address exactly matches what Apple has on file. Also verify device date, time, and App Store region are correct, because mismatches break authorization. Once done, open the App Store and attempt the purchase again so you can capture the specific error code. You now sign out of your Apple ID on the device and sign back in to force a session refresh. This clears transient authorization faults. Remove the payment card, then add it back or add an alternative card. This forces a fresh token exchange with Apple's payment gateway. Restart your device to clear background services and then retry the purchase. If an error appears, read it exactly, because the error guides the final fix. Make sure you capture any code or message. To finish, contact your bank to confirm there are no blocks, spending limits, or 3D secure failures. Banks often block suspicious charges. Then switch networks. If you used Wi-Fi, try mobile data because captive portals and VPNs can interrupt payment validation. If payment still won't complete, gather the exact App Store error code, time of attempt, and device model. Call Apple support and provide those details. A key troubleshooting tip: if the bank and network are fine, reissue the card or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.